How you doing, guys? Richard here from Yes I Can. And today I have a bathroom that is special, near and dear to my heart. This is why I keep telling people about spot fixing and frame straightening. Guys, see that little thing behind me there? We're about to get to it. Stay tuned. Guys, see this hair? I'm about to pull it out of my head. I talk about frame straightening. I talk about spot fixing. I talk about how not to spot fix, and people don't understand it. Okay? Even tilers in the industry, they don't understand. Now we have to spot fix. It's inevitable. It is inevitable if the builder's doing the right thing and frame straightening walls. And I'll tell you why. Because this happens. Look, this is what happens when you spot fix. Right? This, considering this is probably one of the worst I've ever seen, and whoever tiled this should be probably in jail. Okay? This is absolute rubbish, but this is spot fixing. These tiles fell off the wall on their own. Okay? Do you see the spot fixing? Do you see what happens? You've got so much air pocket behind it. As soon as you have any movement, the air pressure differential pops that tile off the wall. Okay? Look at this, guys. Tiles fell off with the grout attached. Look, the grout's attached. All right? Look at this. No, it did not adhere to the tile at all. So not only has he spot fixed this tiler, he also hasn't mixed the glue correctly, and he hasn't stuck to the damn tile. Come on, guys. People go on social media, okay, and they want to talk about me, and they want to go out there and they want to create all this drama, and you don't have to do this, and you don't have to do this. This is why I go through the effort of frame straightening walls, okay, ensuring that the waterproofing systems, adhere to the substrate, and ensuring that the glues that we use for our tiles are compatible with our waterproofing. This is why you need a team that puts the forethought and the foresight into the development and ensures that you're getting a bathroom system. It's not just a matter of getting 15 trades in to complete a bathroom. It's understanding the difference between spot fixing and no spot fixing. This bathroom is 7 years old, 7 or 8 years old. This building, and I can't disclose any information, okay? This building here is like 7 or 8 years old, okay? It was in the Supreme Court for the last 6-7 years. God knows, I've got to double check on my customer, right? Supreme Court twice. The people that bought into this building, they went through hell and back, okay? They've got like $15 million in defects, and you think HBCF warranty pays them out? No, they pay them out a fraction after it makes all their hairs go white, okay? And now they're going through millions and millions of dollars of rectification because some people decide not to do the right thing and they don't give a crap about quality. This is what I'm talking about. So for you guys out there who are on the internet who say, oh, these guys don't do jobs for under 25 grand. So let me tell you guys something, right? First and foremost, our prices start at $17,990, inclusive of GST for labor only, including a shower screen, with a 15-year warranty, okay? That's our starting prices. Our average labor prices are between 20 and 25 grand. That's because customers want nice options, replace ceiling, electrical, lighting, wall mount, this and that. Look, customers want stuff. But if you want quality and you don't want this crap to happen to your bathroom, then you need to hire someone that's, putting in the effort. And to put in the effort is not just my part. I can't do 300 bathrooms on my own a year. I'm not Superman. It's about getting the right tradies involved. It's about training your tradies. It's about taking care of your tradies. It's about paying your tradies well, because it's not all about me making money, right? It's about supervising your tradies and making your tradies love coming to work, because at the end of the day, I don't care how good your project manager is. I don't care how good you are as a business owner. You can't sit there, okay, and supervise tilers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week across, 300 bathrooms a year. You just can't do that. Guys, look, I'm too scared to touch these. These just, look. We start here on Monday. Look at this. Guys, 7-year bathroom, 7 years. Look at it. All the silicon's gone, all the grout's falling apart. There's no ventilation in this bathroom. They've connected 4 ducts together, 4 vents, with 1 fan. Man, this is people's livelihoods. People that spend money, even if you spend $15,000 on a bathroom, that's a lot of money. To save $15,000, it takes the average Australian, a year, if not more. And that's if you're on a double income or a very good income. Sorry guys, this is my rant, right? This is what kills me. This is why my business is very difficult to expand, because every tiler spot fix. They don't understand the concept, but it's not the tiler's fault. It's not entirely the tiler's fault, that is. If the tiler had a sense of decency and a sense of worth about him, okay, all he would have said is, you've given me a wall that's not level to the builder, go fix it, otherwise I refuse to tile. But he won't do that. The tiler will come in and just work whatever the builder gives him, because the builder pays him. And for you builders that are out there, you need to frame straighten your bloody walls. Yes, the customer has to pay extra for it. And yes, it's a pain in the butt. But that's what makes you a quality builder, right? It doesn't have to be done on all bathrooms, and it doesn't have to be done on all walls. But in any direction, you should not have any bowing, you should not have any wavy, and it should be no more than 5 mil out in any direction from top to bottom, left or right. If you do that, then your tiler can notch trowel, install a spot fix. And even if he has to spot fix a little bit, he'll notch trowel, he'll back butter the tiles, then he'll spot fix. You'll still get 100% coverage. Keep in mind, guys, your 90% of your glue manufacturing companies will only allow you to about 23 to 25 mil of glue. Anything past that point, okay, will void your warranty from the glue manufacturers. Anything more than about 30 mil, as it dries, the more glue you put behind tiles, the more shrinkage you get as it dries. So the more lipping you get behind tiles. Right? Look at this lipping up here. Look, you can see it clearly from the shadow. Look at this lip. See that lipping? You know why that lipping is there? And all up there and everywhere there's lippage. Why? Because it's been spot fixed it's stupid. It's too much glue behind it. And why does the tiler do that? This is just stupid. But an ordinary tiler, will put 75% coverage or 80% coverage behind it, which is legal. But he's just trying to take out the slack of the builder, what the builder's giving him. Come on, guys. You know how many times I've heard, oh, this tiler's crap and this tiler doesn't do the right thing. Mate, it's you, the builder, who hasn't given him the proper substrate for him to do his job correctly. And tilers are not, for some unknown reason, tilers won't stand up to it. So tilers are getting a bad name, but it's the buck stops at the builder, the project manager, the guy undertaking the entire job. Anyway, guys, this is my rant for today. My name is Richard. Follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. Click the like, subscribe, all that jazz. Website www.yesican.com.au. Email us info@yesican.com.au. Contact us 1-800-300-937. That's 1-800-300-YES. And until next time, guys, don't forget, at Yes I Can, if we can't do it, no one can. See you later.